held on to that bottle of Dom Perignon for more than 10 years. Waited for a very special occasion to pop it, like crossing the Atlantic. Well, I crossed the Atlantic. No big deal. No, the occasion would be Wendy's 25th birthday. You must stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, me and Peter are out in the ocean. The sun has just risen, and we can see the island of Saint-Anton. We're still in the middle of a tropical depression, but it's good sailing practice, and it's what we were looking for. This kind of weather is rare around Cabo Verde. There's rarely thunderstorms and squalls, and here we are.
My friend there, Eric the Viking, sailing the North Seas. It squalls and all crazy weather. Look here!
Oh yes, oh great Viking sailor of the North. Come down here and play. We're out storm chasing too. We were in a tropical wind swirl. The wind, which is usually constant from the north, was sweeping us north from the south. Absolutely amazing here. Perfect timing for Peter Galopin I. This new sail has me confused here. It's got this extra line, and I'm not sure what it's for. Maybe for reefing? Any ideas? Let me know. Lazy bag on port side is down. That's why the sail has ballooned here. And on starboard, all is good. Except one of the battens got ripped out. Okay, now see this mess of lines? Is that extra line to help hold down the reef? Like I'm doing here? Please let me know. And here is the boom vang. It got properly ripped out of the boom. The gust was violent. Tore it right out of here. That said, the weld job and corrosion was the main problem. I knew I had to get that fixed someday. And if we're lucky, this pulley will stay in place until we get back. The boom must have come down and busted the stanchion. It was weak anyways, and will need to be fixed also. Just minor scratches, right, Galopin? So far this pulley is holding. Peter didn't think it would, but hey, and his Starlink is holding out too. He brought it out to test also. And look at that. We got high-speed internet. Thanks Elon Musk and Peter, of course. Winds were kind of shifting and moving around near the island, so we had to motor sail. Peter's my pirate buddy.
I'm burnt.
He burnt his forehead.
Don't mess with Mother Nature.
He has the luxury of having hair. I don't. Celebrating because we're coming back from our test. We're drinking pussy drinks. It was a pretty rugged test.
Oh,
We got caught in the rain, all sorts of stuff. It was fun. And now I'm just letting the Genoa dry. Got a good clean. And Peter's trying to chill his fat head, as they say in Boston.
oh,
It's not really pirate drinks, but it's sweet and it's nice. And we both kind of got seasick on this ocean.
yeah, you did.
Yeah, I got kind of seasick. Didn't feel so good. Couldn't eat for several hours. Puked. And now I got my appetite back and I can drink again. And here in the ruthless Canal de Saint Vicente, we are sailing with just the Genoa, doing 6 knots north. This almost never happens here. We are sailing into Mindelo Bay in style, baby, under sail. Wendy's 25th birthday is 2 days away, and we're under full steam preparation. The bucket here on her head will serve a purpose. We rented my friend Johnny's 2 top floors at his bed and breakfast for 2 nights. We'll spend the night here to prepare. Our friend Cynthia is doing Wendy's nails. She's doing a great job. Man, she'd make a small fortune in Switzerland doing this detailed work. There were still some residuals from the storm, wind from the south, but we're on Gianni's terrace, and this is where the festivities will take place. Downstairs, the meat is marinating in brine in the bucket. We spent the night here, but I had to share the bed with Wendy and Bruno, and I was edged out. At 6 in the morning, I went to my bed on Galopin. I was able to get some rest. The day and night will be long. Wendy is blessed to have Bruno and her sister Elisangela to help. They take these birthdays very seriously. And it's not just any birthday, it's 25, quarter of a century. Geez, I have no recollection of my 25th birthday. I think I was living in Brooklyn at the time. We're in full preparations of Wendy's 25th birthday party. Special moment with Bruno. Mon nome è Virginie. Elisangela. And of course Wendy. She's making this beautiful, decorations. Pretty amazing. I think I asked if she was a professional. She said no. She's doing a professional job. And Bruna's making caipirinha, and she also did all the chicken, cucina, as they say here. And Wendy, what is Wendy doing? She's just supervising. So will everything be ready by 8 o'clock tonight? Now. We're not ready at 8, nor at 9, or even 10. But did it matter? Nah. No one showed up until 11:30. It's typical Cape Verdean fashion. I personally love it. It gave us extra time to finish. But Wendy was a little anxious, but man, is she beautiful or what? Everyone was there just in time to sing before midnight. I didn't expect that. I kept that lipstick on my lips with great pride. Then things got hot. I mean, it was really hot and humid, as was everyone. party went on all night. And in the morning, we brought out that 30-year-old bottle of French bubbly. And it could not have been popped by a better person and for a better occasion.
Não tem que fazer um discurso, espera.
Eu vou fazer um discurso? Ok.
Um discurso sincero.
Ok, um discurso sincero. Oi, essa é a idade. Oi, essa é a idade. Lá na frente.
760. 1743.
Não.
Olha,
1990.
93. Não queria fazer um
Então,
discurso.
ele é mais peixe de besoto.
Esse champanhe ali foi um champanhe especial que o Wendy, aniversariante, guarda para pessoas e que é especial. Ele convida pessoas especiais, mas ele guarda esse champanhe para pessoas mais especiais. E não te bebi bem, não te bebi viver, porque morrer cada piada.
Bombas, a mais um.
Cheio de graça. Uma bunzinha. Coisa bem, cheguei com coisa boa. Quanto mais velho, melhor.
Well, here I am on the third day of my Atlantic crossing, delivering somebody else's boat. Conditions have been pretty awesome. Had to run the motor for one night. Otherwise, we've been at a very broad reach. It's the only thing. And got no wind instruments, so it's kind of a pain. And the autopilot's working fine. The wind vane is having a tough time holding on in the downwind. We're practically almost running.
Thanks for coming aboard Galopin Winded Voyage. This is our studios. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keeping us afloat. Hope you'll join our community there. We've got a lot of cool extra perks this year, like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron Graham started a WhatsApp chat that he aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and we can talk, chat, uncensored, say whatever we want, and discuss anything. And it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. Or you can watch for free on YouTube. Just make sure to give us a like or dislike or leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along on Winded Voyage, man.
Lo que dicen pa' mí, eres bella. Eres perfecta por fuera, yeah, y más perfecta por dentro, yeah. Y no escuché lo que dicen pa' mí, eres bella. Ricky Baker, yeah. Nice, yeah.